Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Kyle, aka Theatrics. Welcome to another episode of Kyle's Quest. The quest where I get a random object. So I've got duct tape and cable ties. So I'm gonna be holding something together. That's what I get from this. I hope the duct tape is not gonna be used on me. I actually have no guesses. I have no guesses at all. But let's go find out. Now this is something that somebody once taught me. I don't know if it's true. They just mentioned it in drunken conversations. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sit down. I'm going to thread my shoelaces through the top piece, like the flat piece over there. And then I'm basically going to move the fabric on it until it burns through the plastic thingy over here. I don't know if it's gonna work. Like I said, I've only heard of it, so let's see if it does. Let's see if it does.
I think your shoelaces will die first.
Nah, dude, these are DCs, man. That's made with quality. The hardest part is trying to get the lace. Come on. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to balance it on my shoe and pull it through the little gappy thing in the bottom. You tie these things real tight.
At least it'll keep you busy until the cops get there.
Oh wow, thanks, Carl. No.
And the neighbours find you.
Or the neighbours start smelling you.
I'm being silly. Okay, no, I wasn't being silly. This is incredibly difficult. This motherfucker don't lie to me! Awesome. And then what you basically do is you tie these two pieces together. It helps if you have longer shoelaces. I will be honest, it does help if you have longer shoelaces.
Will you be bleak if you break your shoelace?
Nah, maybe. No, I won't be. Okay, and you just put the other shoe back on. And then what you do is you literally just try to burn does take a while. And then you're out. So I think once you get the shoelace through, it'll burn straight through and then you will be free, so to speak.
Cool, so we try the YouTube way.
Sure.
You look like you're in shock.
Bruh! That was like 2 seconds! How it works is if it's not tight enough, there shouldn't be any play on it. Then you literally bite onto it and make it as tight as humanly possible. And then what's the technique? Just bring it in as fast.
Yeah.
Here?
Straight into your chest.
Straight into my chest and snap. Okay. Holy. And just like that, you're free. It's literally like 2 seconds. Yeah, sure, it hurts a little bit, but you're completely out of it in 2 seconds. So it's basically from there, just bring it into yourself and it snaps it. That is freaking genius. And like, I'm not like the strongest person. Mind the dogs. I'm not the strongest person. So like, this is really easy. It's like simple mechanics, really. Force of momentum and stuff. Wow, I'm impressed. YouTube teaches you stuff daily. So, duct tape. Duct tape. Am I trying the same technique? Same technique? Okay, okay.
hit himself in the chest.
I punched myself in the chest.
But it worked.
Like it worked. It worked exactly the same principle. It just doesn't split the way that the cable ties do, but it does break. And you can see it is a fairly clean break. So yeah, exactly the same technique works.
Nice.
It's the technique of it. So you actually literally want to like hit your chest with it as well, because it breaks when it hits your chest. So you want to keep it like in line with your shoulder, that height, so that you're hitting your breastbone itself. So you want to hit it like that, so that your arms go out and it makes like a 90-degree angle over here. So if you bring it in, it's there where it breaks, against your chest.
And you think even if they had like 6, you just break them one at a time until you're out?
I think so. I genuinely think I could break 6. I think I could break 6. Because I mean, like, I broke 2. It's just
Yeah,
the
we
proper
just break
technique.
one at a time,
Yeah. It's just the proper technique of 90 degrees. Make sure you hit your bone over your chest. Even if you hit your own wind out, it's fine. You're still going to get out. That's just my thing. Yeah. This was really fun. Hope you guys learned something. If you did learn something, drop us a like. If you want your friends to know about it, share it. And then if you want to see more stuff like this, subscribe. And also comment below, like, just stuff that you guys want to see as well. Theatrics, over and out.